And today, we're putting that in this. Yes, it's happening. But first, I gotta get out. I gotta get out of here because I can't put the engine in here without. Hold on, wait a minute. Cut! Cut! Today is finally the day we putting the engine in the transmission inside of Zen, aka the 6.9 Camaro. But before we do that, I have to mate the engine and transmission together. I have to cut a hole in the transmission tunnel for the wire harness. I also have to remove the factory exhaust from the Camaro and a whole bunch of other things. So I gotta get cracking, but before that, you know what to do. Hit the mother-sucking buttons, the like, the comment, the subscribe. I gotta go get ready to cut some metal, and here we go. Okay, first things first, we gotta install the motor mounts to this engine, and this cool company that I've been using for years named Dirty Dingo gives you this nice slide feature. Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. You see that? You see that right there? It's like you're DJing on the record, baby. So what this does is, once they're installed, it allows you to move the engine back or forth a few inches. That way, if you have like clearance issues, you can get away with that by moving your engine forward or back to give you the proper room that you need. So I'm gonna install these bad boys and then keep it going, baby. So the Dirty Dingo motor mounts are installed, and this is what I was talking about earlier with the slide feature. You see that? You see that? That movement right there? So just imagine this engine is installed and it's too close to your radiator. So what you can do is literally slide the motor and transmission back close to the firewall, or if it is too close to the firewall, you can slide that bad boy back forward. It's super slick. It's a dope product. And because those Dirty Dingo motor mounts are installed, we can check it off the list. Oh yeah, Dirty Dingo, you get a smiley face, baby. Let me see what kind of smiley face. Look, you gonna get a smile. Oh, 2 dots, a smile, and look, we're gonna give him a little afro, and then we'll a little pick. All right, okay, all right. That's supposed to be a pick, but it looks more like a dysfunctional cupcake, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna keep moving on. The next thing I gotta do is remove the factory exhaust, cut the hole in the transmission tunnel for the wire harness, and I think we'll be ready to put this engine and transmission in the car. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll see y'all in a minute. We got some work done, baby. Yes, we got the exhaust out. By the way, I'll take cash for this, all right? It's going up on Craigslist tomorrow. I need $600, all right? Don't try to cheat me. I know what I got. I need cash. Just kidding. But we got the old exhaust out. I got the hole cut for the wire harness that's gonna go in. And there's only one thing to do, and that's put the engine and transmission together so we can put it in the car. Oh yes, oh yeah, baby. But before we do that, we got some smiley faces. Oh yeah, come on, let's go ahead and knock it down. Let's knock it down. Where we at? Oh, we took that exhaust off. Oh, the exhaust, you get smiley face. We're gonna give you a little Jerry curl. All right, I gotta get better at this, all right? And then cut hole for the harness. That's another smiley face. So cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the engine and transmission, and so we can put this mother sucker together. And real quick, just for a recap, this is McLeod's RTX dual clutch, which is capable of holding over 1,000 horsepower. That's what I'm going to use for this, and it's going to be accompanied by the McLeod hydraulic adjustable throwout bearing. So those two are what's going in. So I'm going to go ahead and make these bad boys. Just had to do a little quick recap. It looks good. I'm so disappointed that it won't be seen, but it's time to install it. We did it. Oh, we did it. Oh, we did it, baby. Oh, yes. The engine and transmission is finally together. I feel like playing that song. At last, my love has come around. Oh, man, that was a lot of work. But to see the engine and transmission together and really get a feel for that Cerakote color to pop, like this is amazing. So now there's only one thing to do, and that's put it in Zen over there. It's only one last thing to do. But I'm not sure if it'll fit. This is a TR6060. It's bigger than what was in there before. This is what was in there before on steroids. So I'm hoping I can get it in there. If it doesn't go well, I'll have to modify the transmission tunnel, which I don't want to do, which requires a lot of cutting and massaging and things that I'm not ready for. So let's find out. Let's see if we can straight shot this bad boy in there without modifying anything. Let's do it.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she sliding, tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, back in that bag again. To bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't added.
Oh, it's done. It's finally done. Let's take a look at it. Woo! Oh my goodness. It is in there, baby. Now look, I had two concerns. One, I didn't want to scratch nothing. I didn't want to scratch the motor, transmission, or the firewall. Two, I wasn't sure if the TR6060 transmission would fit. And look at that, we got room. Look. I could double dutch back there. I could do sign language and throw up all my signs and everything. Look at that, so much room. So it's finally in there. I bolted everything down. The transmission is held up by the jack right now because I still have to put the cross member in And before I do that, I need to make my measurements and cut a hole for the shifter and hook up all the lines for the transmission and all that. But it's in. The battle is won. We're in there, baby. Yes. I appreciate you mother suckers for rocking with the channel and being with me on this journey. We've installed the heartbeat of America in Zen, baby. That's right, that's what we did. So don't forget to hit the mother sucking buttons, the like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.